Welcome back to our programming tutorial series for beginner programmers. In this video, we'll go through the steps to setting up your Android development environment. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to start developing Android applications. First, you'll need to download and install Java Development Kit JDK and Android Studio on your computer. You can download the latest version of JDK from the Oracle website. Once you've downloaded the JDK, you can install it by running the executable file. To install Android Studio, go to the Android Studio download page and select the appropriate version for your operating system. Then, follow the installation guide to install it on your computer. Once you have installed Android Studio, you can run it from your Applications folder or from the command line. We'll now walk you through the Android Studio setup process so you can get started with development straight away. To start a new Android Studio project, open Android Studio and select Start a new Android Studio project. Make sure you give your project a name and specify any additional desired settings for your project. Once your project is set up, you can start developing your app. Android Studio comes with a range of tools to help you during development, so spend some time exploring what features are available to you. That's it, you're ready to start developing Android applications. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly programming tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding!